Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Here's the Tradimo show with Matthias and Sebastian.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, and right now we're looking at the euro-dollar chart following the non-farm payroll report.
Yeah.
So if you go into the economic calendar on our website, tradimo.com/economic calendar.
Just switch to the English, of course.
To English. Yeah. We've just had the non-farm payrolls come out, and it showed basically worse numbers than expected. So we have 156,000 new jobs that have been created instead of 180,000 that were expected. And that means basically that the central bank, the Fed, has pressure to keep the interest rates low, and we can immediately see this in the euro-dollar. So basically the euro becoming stronger on the back of these news, and then when it couldn't go above 119.8 and basically staying below 120, that seemed to have been a signal to many people that there aren't just many people left who want to buy the euro.
And if you switch maybe to the hourly chart on the left side, and then you zoom out a little bit, then you can see that 119.80 is a very, very strong resistance. Just zoom out and more and more. So it's a bit to do. Yeah, and here you can see you can draw a line, a resistance line at 119.
Basically, the red line is already the which is my short position. That's already
and
the
above
line, basically.
The top of the current doji, you can see at 119.80. There's a very strong resistance.
I understand.
Yeah. It was tested several times as a resistance before, and today again. So that's impressive. Nice spot to make a short trade at 119.70. But we didn't have the.
Let's talk about what happened basically. So I had a long-term short position already at 119.1, and then or somewhere around there, just a small position, and then. When we saw this action on the 5-minute chart, I opened a trade.
Around 119.70 it was, I think.
Here you can check in the history. Why doesn't it show it here?
Pretty close to the top spot,
because
I see.
Here it shows. I sold 20,000 euro-dollar at 119.678. So here.
Pretty good timing. Impressive.
And since then, the market has been thinking, okay, Sebastian, no.
You deserve it.
You deserve it. It's Friday. Let's give you something for the weekend. No, of course, this is still a small position. Now I'm trading this with 4 mini lots, so 40,000 euro-dollar, and I consider this rather a long-term position because I don't see euro-dollar at 140. I rather see it below 120. That's why I increased the position when the market reacted so aggressively to this news, which for us, we basically see it as a non-event, and we simply think that at some point the central bank in the US will increase the interest rates, and if the euro becomes too strong, then the European Central Bank has to do something, and so this is not a game that can go into one direction forever, but it has been going into the favor of the euro for a long time now.
And if you have a look at the chart, then you can see we are almost before the event, so it's really a non-event. Nothing happens.
Yeah, we are where we started before the event. So if you have done nothing, congratulations, you saved your trading costs.
Yes, and here you can see how important it is to close positions before such a big event, because such events, it's not only about the movement in the chart. It's addition to this is the spread. The spread has been widened for this time, and it can be very painful.
Yeah, basically what you have to keep in mind is that if you are working with a relatively tight stop loss and you aren't having a long-term position like myself here, then this is the type of event that then can kick you out of your trade. And that's what you want to avoid. So basically then it's better to close it before, or if you have a long-term conviction, then to react to the new information and consider if you want to close your position afterwards. But what you cannot do is work with a closed stop loss and go into this event. That's simply the option that doesn't work.
But in this case, maybe you have slippage and you don't get your stop loss. So yeah, maybe your loss is slightly bigger than expected. So please bear this in mind.
Yeah, and yeah. For me here, what do we have here now? Basically, before the event, it was minus 26 euros for me. Now it's 124 euros of profit for the day. What you can
Again,
see
a nice dinner.
Again, I can take out my wife for dinner, but yeah, no, this here takes some time to. This is not in real time. This one, but yeah, 152, 157. Oh, it's going in my direction. 170. Whoa, it's gonna be a big dinner. Sylvia, I know you've been waiting for this moment. No, no dinner anymore. no, just no. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the football match tonight. Denmark, Sweden, Denmark, Poland. We have 2 tickets for the match, and yeah, let's see if there will be a dinner afterwards or not.
Or maybe just hot dogs.
Oh, look, this is gold. I mean, it was kind of an accident for me to click on it, but it reacted in the similar way as euro dollar. It's maybe simply because it's denoted in dollars. Yeah.
Yes.
But so not really a gold news here, because this is nothing that gives you safety or safety concerns or hopes. Yeah. Okay. I mean, what else? There's one big news today. Palo Alto Networks, the cybersecurity company, they have been here announced their earnings yesterday night, and you see this is a big increase. That's 8.8% plus right now, and this is something that I will watch closely, because there's multiple analyst ratings out now where people are increasing the price targets here to 150, 154, 146, 159. So this could still go up further today, but 8.5%, I'm probably gonna wait for a pullback before I enter here, and counting
I
on
have to
another
say,
momentum value.
Okay.
Yeah. No,
now you switch a chart, but
yeah.
I'm concerned about the volume. If you see the big up move, it was not supported by the volume. So this is maybe.
But this is all after hours, so there's no big volume.
No, it's a daily chart.
Yeah, but this is still the all of the move happened after hours.
Okay, yeah. Now I got it. Okay, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, but for those of you that don't know what we are talking about, basically you can also trade stocks when the stock market is closed. And here on the hourly chart, here on the left side, you can see that this move here happened at 4 p.m. New York time, and this is basically after the market has closed. So this is all after the market has closed, when the company released its quarterly results. And since then, it's been going up further. And this is where you might see something like a pullback to 140 again before it continues up again. And this is something where you can then, get 4% or something like this in an intraday trade if you are doing it correctly. But yeah, don't do it with all of your account, because it can easily go wrong, and you want to make sure that you can try this 20 times or so with your account before you run into any serious problems. Good. Yeah, that's basically the...
Maybe you want to mention Momo.
Yeah, so Momo, yesterday it was upgraded by Goldman Sachs to $56 price target. And you see 56 is not even on the chart here. But yesterday what happened is it moved, on this news, it moved from 34 to 38 yesterday, and Today, most likely, it's starting around 39. That's why I shifted my money from Mazer into Momo, because I am trading momentum values currently, and Mazer ran out of its momentum yesterday. So you can see that yesterday so this is from the day when I was in at Mazer. I still have a small position where I'm letting it run, but this was the main day where I got my money. And then yesterday it looked like a nice day, but then it faded. And today I think that it won't go and break out above 49, but that it'll go down to 47 or even 46 again. And so my money today will be used differently. But that's day trading, that's momentum trading, that's aggressive trading. That's not for everyone. Also, not everybody has the time for this. But at Tradimo, you can learn all the different ways to do it. And yeah, that's basically where we are there for you. So send us your questions that you have to support at tradimo.com. Follow us at Tradimo on Facebook and Twitter. And come to our website, tradimo.com. Sign up to Premium, and for 1 month we will actually design a custom curriculum for you out of all of the hundreds of courses that we have on our website from the leading experts. And then we make the plan for you, what you should learn, and we give you the right tasks to make sure that you've really understood everything before you.
And now you know the person who did it for you, so it's me.
Yeah, that's yeah. Basically, Matthias is the one who will sit down and, based on you personally, you will answer a set of questions, a questionnaire. He will sit down and make your personal curriculum.
And your dream becomes true, maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
We will do our best to help you. Okay, in any case, that's it for today. See you on Monday.
Okay, see you. Bye. Have a nice weekend.